Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on their website and Amazon. I've included some links in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is by the LEGO Botanic collection here, and it is LEGO Icons Succulent set. So this is an absolutely fun build, whether you're adult or an older child. It is just a lot of fun. So this particular model here is the 10309. You're gonna get basically, it's gonna come with 3 little instructions here because they're gonna come in sets of 3. You get 9 little succulents total. Naturally, you are going to get plenty of spare parts in case you lose any pieces, and you also get the little easy block remover tool if you need that. So this whole build itself is going to be a total of 771 pieces. It is designed for ages 18 and plus, but if you have little ones, this is great to do as a parent-child activity, and it's a great way to add some like greenery, if you will, to your household that you don't have to worry about taking care of in watering. Now, what's really cool about these is they're in these little like framed pots itself, which is just a little bit over 2 inches by 2 inches as far as the nice little square pattern. And then they come with these little red pegs, which you have 2 holes on either side. And so you can just simply put them in, and then you can make them in configurations. You can either keep them separate, like I have a couple of them here, and you can put them on their shelf by themselves, or you can set them up as like a little 2-pack, maybe stagger them a little bit if you wish. You can really use your imagination and kind of form the perfect display, or you can even put them in a 4-square grid, a 9-square grid. There's lots of different ways of setting them up, which is absolutely great. But you're gonna get like the little aloe look to them. There's just a lot of fun little plants. Some of them have a little bit movement to them. A lot of burst of color. It looks really, really cool. Great way to scatter them around on your shelf and basically bring some life to the decorations around your household. But if you are a big fan of Legos and you're a big fan of plants and you're looking forward to combine that with an awesome build, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.